Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now you can see that I am in the official website of the arcade. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that the Trivia Week 3 has been launched. So to join these games, firstly you have to copy this access code very carefully as it is case sensitive. And just simply click on the start button, then you will be redirected to the game. And to join this game, paste the access code here, and just simply click on the join and you will be joined in this game. So in this game, you can see that there are only 4 labs are required to earn this game badge, and no need to perform this what's next in this start here section. So just complete this as soon as possible. Complete Arcade Trivia Week 3 game, and you will be receiving 1 arcade point for this game, and complete it as soon as possible. And you will be one step closer to reach your milestone. Okay, see you in the next video, and we will be sharing the video solutions of the labs very soon. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channels, subscribe now.